Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Hey guys, it's the Keto King here. And isn't it so damn hard to keep it keto over this Christmas period, right? You've got all your friends, non-keto friends coming around, bringing these crazy non-keto friendly dishes, and the temptation is sky high. Well, what I'm going to do for you today is give you a compilation of all the best Christmas recipes that you can use this festive season to keep it keto for yourself, and even keto recipes that you can bring and use with your non-keto friends, and I guarantee you they will love it. I've got keto starters, keto mains, keto sides, keto desserts, and even keto drinks. So let's jump into this. The keto appetizers or keto starters. What can we do there? Well, you can try out the keto crackers recipe I have on my channel. I'll put a link to everything in the top corner of the screen, and when I run out of cards that I can use, check in the description box below. I'll put all the links to every video I reference in that description box below. So, keto crackers. Now, who doesn't like some crackers and cheese, right, as a starter or as an appy? Well, make those keto crackers. They are so good, paired with some cheese, and Bob's your uncle, you're good with a keto starter there. If you wanted to do something more of a sit-down keto starter or keto appy, you could do a green bean and broccoli soup. This is just packed full of nutrients, tastes really good, and of course keeps it keto. I then have one whole main and entire keto recipe that you can do. It's called the balsamic and maple roast. That entire keto meal you do in the slow cooker or the crock pot. And it comes with the meat and all the vegetables, and it's really a winner and a huge time saver, so go check out that one. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I've then got a lot of keto sides that you could use either to make yourself or to bring along to a Christmas dinner at someone else's house. We've got the cauliflower fried rice, so simple, beautiful substitute for your regular rice. Got the zucchini sticks, so somewhat of a play on keto fries. They don't taste like fries, but they taste damn good, and again, packed full of nutrients. You could make some spaghetti squash, which everyone will love, very easy to make, and a perfect side to any keto recipe. Or you could try the green beans and almond slivers, also very easy to make, and I guarantee you everyone's gonna love that, and it does actually look quite fancy. So your keto appies and your keto mains and sides are sorted. Well, what are we gonna do with that dreaded dessert that comes out? I've got you covered, guys. If you wanted to go big, you could do a keto strawberry cheesecake. Man, this is seriously one of the best dessert recipes on my channel. Ridiculously good, and everyone will love it. Tastes pretty close to original cheesecake. Does make a lot, and it is quite high in calories, so just be careful, don't have too much of it, because remember, calories do still count on keto. Again, if you wanted to do a whole serving, we could do the keto chocolate cake recipe that I have on my channel. Amazingly, this keto chocolate cake is made with zucchini, but don't be scared of it. You do not taste that zucchini. It tastes like regular chocolate cake, and it is amazing. If you want to do things on a slightly smaller scale, well, you could do the raspberry crumble that I have on my channel. This raspberry crumble takes around 5 to 10 minutes, can be done in the microwave in the individual containers, so again, perfect for doing it for a group of people, and doing it on the fly doesn't take a bunch of preparation in order to do this keto dessert. Also, if you wanted a really easy keto dessert, you could do either of my keto mousse recipes, either the keto lemon cheesecake mousse, which is over there, a really nice twist to the original keto mousse, or you can do the keto chocolate mousse, which is fantastic. And the best of all with those mousse recipes, they can literally be made in a couple minutes. And you can make as much or as little as you need. Those are an absolute winner. If you wanted just to serve people some coffee with maybe a cookie, well, check out the Keto Christmas Cookie Recipe. Don't say that one after having had a few drinks. These keto Christmas cookies can be made either with almond flour or sunflower seeds as I do in that video, which is quite amazing. So for those of you trying to avoid nuts or any nut allergies, check out that Christmas cookie. Pretty damn good. Or if you're looking for an after dinner treat slash drink, you can make the Keto Baileys. Now, it's not quite like your regular Baileys. While it does taste similar, it is very rich and again, also fairly high in calories. So that would be a good substitution for a keto dessert. You make this Keto Baileys and serve that to people on a nice cold evening. Oh, tell you what, that would go down very well. But then you say, Keto King, thanks for all those amazing keto Christmas recipes that I can make or bring to a Christmas dinner. But what about all those drinks that go around, those horrible sugary drinks, the ones full of carbs? Well, I've got you covered, guys. 3 options for you. 1, you can have the Keto Sangria. Now that Keto Sangria is great, nice and festive. It does reduce the carbs from your regular wines, so check that one out. I think everyone would love drinking that over the Christmas period. Next, you could try the Keto Old Fashioned. Man, this is one of my favorite keto drinks ever. Super classy, very easy to make, and I tell you, you're gonna impress your guests. And lastly, if those 2 don't float your boat, then take a look at my video on what are the best alcohols to drink while on keto. It's a long, very comprehensive video, so go check that one out if you want to check what is the best wine, hardtack, or any other drink to drink on a keto lifestyle. Guys, that's just a few of the recipes that are on my channel. I think these ones will be fantastic for your keto Christmas and keeping it keto. So really, no excuse, guys. Stay strong. I know you can do it and you're gonna feel so good after this Christmas period, keeping it 100% keto. Subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. Please like the video if you enjoyed this. And of course, chat to me in the comment section. You know I love hearing from you. And as always, keep it keto.